कुछ एक्सेप्शंस हैं, ये सब कुछ बड़े लोग हैं। अगर ऐसे ही एक नॉर्मल पेरेंट्स होते हैं हमारी तरह, क्योंकि आपका केस हमारे से बहुत डिफरेंट है, तो
I honestly feel if the parent does not guide the children correctly in the younger stage, like give them a mobile or not monitor them properly, they will not be able to achieve this level of success. And it's not that you need to be great like Feynman or Einstein or Newton. There are countless other individuals whom we are not aware of or don't know their story, whose parents are not educated but have guided them successfully, and they are prominent researchers or individuals who are highly educated. Not necessarily that they have graduated in science, but they're highly educated and rational people who make good decisions and have ethics and morals. It's not just that you need to be good at MPC. It's other qualities that the parent imparts on the child and depends a lot on the parent's personality, not their qualifications. Minded individuals, and it's not just me. There are many countless scientists like Nikola Tesla, Albert Einstein, and Newton who enjoyed in this philosophy of nature and discussing fundamental truths. And it is due to them that our world has progressed so much, and we enjoy the luxuries we do today. So I don't feel they were dissatisfied with their life in the least, or it was minute compared to the vice versa. So that will be my opinion. That first trick in the nucleic is see what parameters they're giving. If they're giving pressure, temperature, and volume, then it's obvious they're asking the number of moles. Or you can try to guess what concept it's from by seeing what data they have given. And to solve the numericals, you do need to take care of your calculation mistakes, like writing 0.3 or 0.003. So that advice would be to solve more problems and make your calculation fast and do not spend too much time contemplating on the question. Like you should be in a flow state, and the only way to achieve that flow state is to reduce mental clutter and remove other thoughts in your mind. Like you might have thoughts about the future or what you'll do tomorrow. Try to reduce them and think only about the present problem that's in front of the or the situation that's in front and keep your mind clear, do more problems, and you will be efficient at it. And Ladakh will see a new era in science and maths, and you will be the catalyst for that.